Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are enjoying your journey of learning. Now, let's go ahead together. Okay, let's do another activity. If I say that everyone hold up your pencils, are you all holding up the pencils or some of you are holding the pencils? Which sounds good? Yes, you're right. You all are holding the pencils. On the other side, if I say that Sarah, Ali and Sana has to hold the balls for 15 minutes. So am I saying to all of you to hold up the balls or some of you? Yes, obviously some of you. You got it. Now just go ahead. Okay, my dear ones, let's move towards another activity. Hope you all are enjoying. Well, if I say that everyone clap, so all of you will clap or some of you will clap? Yes, you're right, all of you will clap. If I say that first two lines of the boys will clap, so all of you are clapping or some of you will clap? Right, some of you will clap. Now you got the concept of some and all. After this, we move towards another activity in which I will only say all or some. All or some. It can be played as a group activity. If I say all, then all of you have to clap. If I say some, then some of you have to clap, and so on. Now let's move towards our countdown book.
Hello, my little champs. I know you have enjoyed your today's lesson. Now take out your countdown book from your bags. Hurry up, I know you can do it. But if you find it difficult, ask your mom to take it out. Let's start with this worksheet. Oh, there are some oranges and apples. So these all are fruits. Let's see. We have to circle all the balloons and color some of them. Can you see in this square shape? We have all the balloons and we have to color some of them. Okay, now count with me. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have 6 balloons and you have to circle them. I will do one for you. Okay, let's make a circle. Now, when you will finish up with this, you have to color them. What you have to do? You have to color these balloons. Now, I will color it. Have you all take out your colors? Take any one of your favorite and do in this balloon. I will do the green color. So first I have encircled the balloon and then I colored the balloon. So you all have to do it like this. Find out all the balloons and color some of them. Hope you will do it by yourself. Best of luck. Fi Manila.